Hi, this is Mick from DBmarlin, and today we're going to have a look at a new platform we've just added in DBmarlin 4.1, which is SAP HANA. So for those of you that don't know, SAP HANA is the database that sits behind SAP ERP Suite. It's a hybrid analytical and transactional processing database. They can be very large, into the terabytes of memory. And so we've added support now so you can monitor SAP HANA in exactly the same way that you can monitor all of the other platforms that we already support with DBmarlin. So you can see here I'm monitoring 36 instances, and you can see them plotted on the charts and also listed in the table here. So the new ones we're looking at now are these SAP ones. You get exactly the same view at the top level here. You've got the average SQL response time, number of executions, and then the total database time processing all those statements. And then we can click in to get the instance level dashboard, and you can see this looks exactly the same as it does for other technologies. So we give you that nice consistent view across database platforms. So for SAP HANA, we've got all the exact same features. We've got the database activity, and you can see that plotted over time here. You can break that down into the statements. You can break that down into the wait events as well, just like you can with the others. You can also see these down at the bottom here, so you've got a list of your top statements, list of your top wait events. You can see performance by database, by client IP, by user, and program, and so on, and we can drill down into these. So exactly like you get for other platforms, we also have our group statements view, so we can strip out variables and replace them with question marks. So the statements get rolled up, and you may see different statements at the top of the list here. We've got a SQL statistics view, same as we have for others. So now you can see not only the duration of the statement, but the number of times it was executed, its average response time, and the number of CPU milliseconds that it consumed, as well as other things like logical reads, writes, and physical reads. In fact, you can extend this list, and for SAP HANA we have a total of 85 different SQL statistics that we can collect if you wanted to turn those on here under settings. We also have our database statistics view, and we've got about 30 or 40 of these kind of top instance level things like active sessions and compilation counts and so on. So you can see how your HANA instance overall is performing. We also have host metrics. I don't have that turned on in this environment. And then we have our custom events, of course. We don't have it within the last hour, but if I just go back, you can see we get things like index creations, index drops, database creations. So all those schema changes automatically get picked up, and they get shown on the timeline when you're looking at activity here. You can see the change markers and whether there is any impact on the performance. So you get all the same great features that you get with DBmarlin. You can now apply those to SAP HANA. So hopefully that's useful for you, and it's currently a beta feature. So if you want to get your hands on this and try the beta, let us know, and we'll be happy to give you access. So thanks for listening, and look out for more videos coming soon.